Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package was sent by Peter, no doubtedly, or undoubtedly, is that it right? I'm stupid. Undoubtedly a response to my community post about acquiring some additional knives for review. So thank you so much for responding to that, and thank you so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, get your hands on some cool stickers and some other benefits, there's of course a link down in the description, and follow me on Instagram. Let's go ahead and just make our cuts. Gotta always remember to cut to the corner every time so that you guys don't have to watch me struggle. Right? Everybody's saying, well, you wouldn't struggle so much if you'd sharpen that scalpel. In due time. In due time, friends. Okay. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay. Do we have anything else in the... Oh, no. Wait, hold on. Bonus knife. All right. I think that's everything there. Put that down on the floor for now. And then this guy is... I know what this is. Yes. This is... a Benchmade Griptilian, or in this case, the Ritter Hogue, but it is a mini. Awesome! That's so cool. I'm really excited actually to check one of these out. So the mini Griptilian never really did it for me, but this guy's, yeah, so right off the bat, I can get a full purchase on this guy, which I don't remember that being the case with the smaller one. This is the RSK MK1 G2 Mini, which you can only get at KnifeWorks, by the way. So if you want to check that out, you'll have to go to KnifeWorks. Very cool. And then we have another thing here. What do we have? Okay, I'm gonna, what is that? Okay, that one's gonna go over here. And then this is quite large. Oh my gosh. Wow, okay, so I don't know what this is, but I mean right now in my time, but I'm sure the title will reflect it appropriately. This is a huge knife, holy moly. Quite smooth, big titanium frame lock, kind of a bronze finish on the titanium, nice fine-grained tumbled finish on the blade, slightly reflective. CPM S60V. I'm aware of S60V, but that is the very first time that I have ever seen CPM S60V on a knife. Oh, I should probably look at the card. Okay, well, unfortunately, the card is mostly in Russian. It is entirely in Russian. Here's the card. I don't know what this is. I suppose if you can read Russian, then there you go. Yeah, the title will reflect it appropriately. Wow, this thing is huge, man. It is. There are a lot of elements here that are similar to other, Russian-made knives that I've handled. And what I mean by that is absolute positivity. A lot of the Russian folding knives that I've handled have had unbelievable, like above and beyond fit and finish. If we're going to take Riot and say that they're perfect, a lot of the knives that are made, either entirely or in part in Russia, have been just amazing, and this is no exception. This is very, very well built. We will find out more about this amazing knife, and then I will give you guys my thoughts on it. Very cool, nice surprise, absolutely. Guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it. Peter, thank you so much for sending these two amazing knives along. Very, very cool. That's going to be pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.